Solve the DE for 2x dy dx equals to 1 over y plus y. So solve in y in terms of x. So for this DE, you have to identify whether it is separable or using IF, integrating factor. So we try rearrange, let dy dx as a subject. We try rearrange, let dy dx as a subject. So when we move this, it will be 1 over 2x. So obviously you can see this is your factor x, this is your factor y, means this DE can be solved by separable. Alright, when you factor your unknown here, what's your unknown? You look at your DE, your unknown here is y and x. When your y and x, they can be factorized completely. So means this equation can be used separable method. Okay, so how to separate it? So let the factor x at right hand side, factor y go to left hand side. So this have to go to left hand side. So before we move it to left hand side, we simplify first. Make it a fraction. So here will be 1 plus y squared. Then when you move it to left hand side, so it will be y over 1 plus y squared for dy. 1 over 2x for dx. Then we can integrate both sides. So we look on the formula for integration. So this one, fraction. When your fraction is not linear, you can try seek for this special form of integration where your function at denominator and its differential function at numerator. If your question has this kind of pattern, you can use ln fx, then class C. This happens when your denominator is not linear. When you have linear, you straight away ln. Alright, so you look at your denominator function here, that is not linear, it's quadratic. So your function in terms of y here is quadratic. When you differentiate it, you get 2y. So almost similar function, but lacking of constant 2. What can we do? We multiply by 2, divide by 1 over 2. So that we have this relationship. This is our fy, this is our differential function. So when we have this kind of pattern, for this left hand side, we can straight away ln to fy. Meanwhile, for the right hand side, you can take out 1 over 2. So for this, 1 over 2, here will be ln to our function, which is 1 plus y squared. So to integrate this, we can take out 1 over 2. So you integrate 1 over x linear. Straight away will give you ln. Then we have to simplify until we get y in terms of x. So you have to simplify all this ln as well. So move this value of 2. You times 2, 2 can be cancelled. When you times 2 to the c, it's still a constant. No need to put 2c because 2c are constant, c also constant. Let c represent that constant. Okay, then we remove this ln, unlock it. It will be 1 plus y squared. So don't confuse with this modulus. This modulus just want to make sure the function always positive when it together with ln. It doesn't mean that it is modulus function. Right? Always make sure ln here is positive function so that it will be valid. So when we unlock this, so e to the power of ln x plus c. When you power plus e ln x multiply with e, EC. So it will give you EC is a constant A, then e to the power of none can be simplified. We give you x. So finally simplify ax minus 1. And then simplify your square. It will be positive negative square root ax minus 1.